People granted refugee status will have to wait for 3 years before bringing relatives, including spouses and children, to Ireland under a planned tightening of family reunification rules. That is according to reports across the papers this morning.
We think that's going to keep families separated, mums and dads separated from children, husbands separated from wives. It's worth looking at the time it takes to consider a family unification application. Also, currently it's about 18 months. So it takes about a year for your decision to be made, at least a year, plus the 3 years delay, and then plus the 18 months to process a family unification application. It's going to take about 5 years, or at least 5 years, before a recognised refugee can reunify with their family, and that's really concerning to us.
I presume that the reason we're seeing this come about, or being considered, or potentially brought in, is this idea that Ireland was seen potentially as a soft touch here, and that we had pull factors encouraging people to come here, and they want to change that narrative around this country. Is that fair to say?
That may be their aim, but it's pretty poor public policy, and the effects of it will fall squarely at the hands of vulnerable people, and in particular children. Ireland, I don't believe, is a soft touch. If you look at and we work with people every day in the asylum process, it's a very difficult system. About 10 years ago, the family unification laws were already tightened up. You can only apply to reunify with your spouse or your minor child. So it's a very narrow category of people that you can reunify with. And then the asylum process itself is very rigorous. Still people being made homeless on arrival. We're working with volunteers who are supporting people, around 20 people a night last week, despite the bad weather. You can't work on arrival. You have to wait 6 months. So it's a difficult process.
This would appear to be the direction of travel for the government.
Most definitely, yeah. I believe it's the direction of travel. And we can see that in the legislation that's being proposed and their statements as well. And, I think it's important, as I say, to bring this back to the people who will be affected by this, which will be families, in particular the family unification changes.